This is a 2012 Dodge Caravan, 3.6 liter. I get in a situation where it would crank, but it wouldn't start. So you're not sure whether it's spark or fuel. So the first thing you do is this thing just pops right off. I'm going to check to see if it's fuel. And then this has a, right here, a throttle body. Pull this hose off. And then I got a mustard bottle. That's what I use to spray gas. You can put a hose on it, or you might be able to fit the tip of that in there. And then what you do is you put it on here and squeeze gas in there for about 2 to 3 seconds. And then after that, it started right up. And it continued to run. I'm not sure why it continued to run, because I thought if the fuel pump is not working, what's creating the fuel pressure? So I shut it off, turned it back on, and it ran again. But then I waited 5 or 10 minutes. I went back to the same problem. It would crank, but wouldn't start. Then tested that once again, put gas in there, and it started up. So now I know it's a fuel problem. Went online, found a video for it's called a TIPM, TIPM. This is a TIPM board, TIPM board. And the relays, it'd be nice if it just pull out a relay and replace the relay, but they soldered this relay directly into the board. So if you go to a dealer, they'll say $1,300, replace the whole board. And then some genius came up with this system here. So this is fuse 25. It's a yellow fuse. You pull that out, and then this is the rear cigarette lighter fuse. It's either in this position or in this position. If it's in that position, power's on all the time, in case you want power all the time in the rear of the vehicle. But this position here, that is key on only. So you buy this cable on Amazon. Look, just type in TIPM bypass cable. It's about $8. Comes with everything you need. Stick one end in there, make sure you put the fuses in, and stick the other end on the left side, because you only want the fuel pump with the key on. And stick it right in there, and then give it a test. I just got mine today. Oh yeah, $8. Solve the problem. Thank you, YouTube posters.